Hi folks, this is all the fruit. I'm in Perdana Botanic Garden in Kuala Lumpur, and this garden is really amazing. If you're expecting a scientific botanic garden, it's not. It's basically a giant park with thousands of species and many of them with nice tidy labels. Well, right here there I don't see any of those little labels, but at least there are two big, no, 1, 2, 3 big billboards explaining important ecological and botanical stuff. Well, I was thinking which part of the garden I should make this video. There is the Botanic Garden proper, which is already gigantic, and then attached to it there are things like the exotic fruit tree collection, the deer park, which also has a lot of exotic fruit. Outside of it there is an orchid garden, there is a bird park, and so on and so on. And even in the real botanic garden, in the proper botanic garden, it's so big, wherever I make the video I can cover only a very small part of it. Yeah, so I'm making the video here in this part. You just have to imagine the other part, so you just have to come to Kuala Lumpur to check it out. Well, when you come to Perdana Botanic Gardens, don't just go to the Botanic Garden proper and to the other like proper botanic parks or collections. There are lots and lots of interesting fruit trees outside the smaller botanic garden area. How shall I say it? Right now, in the middle of January, most of the fruit I found were actually either in the deer park or around the planetarium, around the observatory. Very strange. But yeah, still at least I found some fruit. Here in the Botanic Garden it seems this place has a different fruiting cycle than most of Kuala Lumpur, because outside of the Botanic Garden there actually is some fruit. Even right outside the Botanic Garden, on one side of the road there is the Botanic Garden, on the other side the deer park or the planetarium, and they are full of fruit. Well, here in the Botanic Garden there is not a lot. Well, here there is at least some elephant apple, Dilenia indica, with those big fruit which are beloved by elephants and also by Indian women for making curry. What do we have here? Some coconut tree, a very young one and an older one. Over there some pandanus, lots and lots of other trees. Yeah, a lot of the labels disappeared over the years. They started making new labels recently, but they haven't finished yet. So yeah, what shall I say? It's a beautiful botanic garden. This video just covers a really tiny part of it. Here, by the way, the children's playground. If you come to Kuala Lumpur, don't miss out on it. Definitely come to Perdana Botanic Garden. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful city of Kuala Lumpur. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.